What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Deberoo, and in this video I will show you how to make money fast in the Zeropark Traffic network by promoting affiliate marketing offers. So in this video what we'll do is we will run a push traffic campaign on Zeropark using push ads basically. First of all, I have here open a traffic calculator because I want to see if there is sufficient traffic. I just tried to create a campaign on a different source, which was not Zeropark, and there was not sufficient traffic available. So obviously on the push, you can see they have a tremendous amount of clicks available, which is good. I want to run this campaign focused on the US, and that is also where they have the most volume, so I'm not too worried that they won't have any traffic, so that's good. Alright, so I'm logged into Zeropark right now. It's actually quite easy. You go to new campaign and I'm going to run, no thanks. I'm going to run push. And this is basically the Zeropark guide. If you follow these steps, step by step, exactly how I show you to basically build the lander, build the ads, write the copy, you can basically launch your first successful push notifications campaign, because this is exactly what I would do if I would run a push campaign, which I have ran many in the past. So if you have a whitelist for sources, go with source. If you have a whitelist for targets, basically whitelist is the premium placements which are pre-selected, usually from a list that you made yourself or a list that you got somewhere from an account manager or for a forum. But we don't have any, so we're going to do a run on network campaign. This is a watch me build campaign, and we want to run classic push and not in-page push. Then we run on a cost per click pricing model, which means the price you pay every time a user clicks through the notification. The country that we are targeting is United States of America, United States, and we target all languages. This is fine. The suggested bid is 4 cents. Well, let's apply that. The daily budget is minimum 20. And the campaign budget, we just keep unlimited. I want to run it every day. The source daily budget is where we apply the 3-day rule. So I'm logged into the Gotcha affiliate network, is where we're going to pick our offer for the US. And I haven't actually looked at it that well, but I want to pick something broad like McDonald's, KFC, something everybody likes, which has a mass appeal to the user. So I probably think I'll do McDonald's. McDonald's probably good, and the US ones, which is great, can be direct linked, because McDonald's $50 shouldn't be like, they also have like $1,000 and shit, but I don't think that would be that useful. These are probably geo-locked, yeah. So the offer is geo-locked, which means only people from the US can see it, but I have ran this offer before, and it's basically a 3-question survey, and then it has a single opt-in, right? Because it has 3 questions attached to it, it allows us to run a direct link campaign. If it didn't have the 3 questions, then obviously I would use Landerize and make like a simple quiz like they have. Either a spinner or like a quiz like this, and then change it to McDonald's or branded quiz to get them to opt into the offer basically. We want to run non-adult, frequency filter once every 24 hours, mobile only. Yeah, that's fine. I want all the traffic for now. Source budget. Okay, so the payout, $250. So per target it would be $750. If a source has a lot of traffic, I don't want any source to spend more than $10. So basically in Zeropark it is sources. So let's say brands, they hold websites for the push notifications, and those are the targets. So the targets are the placements, but the sources collect placements. They might have multiple placements under one source. So if one source has a lot of traffic and it might not be the best quality, I don't want to spend like 18, 19, or maybe even the entire $20 on that one source when there are many others. So I'll put it at 10 for now. No day parting, I'll just leave it running 24/7, I don't care. And then the push creatives is what we're going to create. conversion tracking in volume, that's all good. Then we have to create a campaign. So let's create the campaign in volume first, because obviously with a direct linking campaign, it's all quite easy. It's not that difficult. It's just bang, bang, thank you, ma'am, ready, done. New campaign, simple. My workspace, traffic source, Zeropark, country, United States. Watch me build, push. We're going to run through a flow, but we're going to create a new flow, and the flow will be double meta, new path, new path. It will be offers only, and the offer, we're going to create a new offer because I still have the link right here. The affiliate network that we run it through is gotcha. Then we need to add this S2 parameter as the S1. So S1 is S2 plus the click ID. So the click ID makes sure that the tracker knows where the click is coming from to be able to match it. This is McDonald's, $50. Perfect. Save, save. Give a name to the flow. One, fine. Okay, save this. And then it's already, your campaign is already ready. Oh, fuck. I didn't grab the campaign URL. Watch me build, push. There it is. Copy URL. Go back to Zeropark. And then put in the URL. So conversion details will be automatically imported from volume. All parameters will be automatically tracked by volume. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, now we need to make the creatives, which is the fun part, right? Because sweepstakes is my thing. It is 192 by 192, which is quite small. Is it a square? Apparently they're square images. Oh yeah, because the image goes here, so it's more about the copy. And they don't have icons no more. That was it. Okay. McDonald's. Yeah, I think we should keep it simple. Just keep it with a logo, because when you look at the actual space, is quite small in it. So I'll probably make a couple of ads. We might want to test the different backgrounds, like the green logo against, for example, the red logo. See how that performs. See, this is fine. This is good. And then we put in the green logo as well. Oh, that one doesn't look so good. We might need to get a bigger one for the green one. Perhaps this one. Just so it doesn't get blurry, right? Which is very important. Very important. Yep. See? There we go. Right, so this is McDonald's 2. Oh, we'll make 4 ads. Yeah, 4 ads is decent. Just to give you guys the proper example, right? What it should look like. What the fuck is this? That's fucking weird. That's disturbing. Okay, perhaps we just do the McDonald's and then the red M. I think this makes sense. And perhaps this one. I don't want to go with the food because, well, maybe we do one with the food, one with the burger. Because it's quite small, right? So we don't want it to become too small. So you can barely see it. So the M should be fine. Because it's made basic. Yeah, it's not the best, it's not crisp, but everybody will understand what this means, right? Loving it. This one should be good. Yeah. Just a straight burger. Okay. Then we upload the creatives, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we can add title and add text. Alright. See? So this is what it looks like on phone. Definitely the burger I don't like. I like this one the best, definitely. It just makes sense. This one is nice as well, but you cannot read that it says McDonald's. So it's kind of useless. This one makes sense as well. I think this one is the clear winner from the start. It just makes sense. We'll say McDonald's. Okay, 1955. Plus 50 years. Plus 15, 65. Yep. This is a copy I always used to use on Facebook, and it worked really well. And now I'm using it on Push because it still works well. It still works really well. Get your limited edition meal. Get your next meal on us. Use the emoji counter engagement. Limited time only while stocks lasts. Yeah, that's important. Make it look real, right? That's easy. Push notifications is easy. All comes down to testing. Definitely this one's favorite. Okay, McDonald's 60th anniversary. Get your next meal on us. Limited time only while stock lasts. This is going to the USA, people. The country with the biggest fast food consumption in the world. So I assume this will do quite well. Obviously, this is just an example. I just roll out the copy in 2 seconds because this is what I've used in the past. You might want to spend a little bit more time actually on seeing what might work. You might have a different angle, different offer, but on Push, generally, especially on Zeropark, iPhones, Samsung, McDonald's, anything, Walmart, anything mainstream for that specific country that you're targeting, performs really well. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend any beginner to target the US straight away because there's a lot of traffic and obviously it's a little bit more expensive. I would recommend you to start in tier 2, tier 3 geos. An affiliate network like MobID, for example, has a lot of different offers in that specific geo. So this is an affiliate network that has quite a bit of those type of offers, which you might be able to use. But yeah, I used, for this example, Gotcha, which has a tremendous amount of US sweepstakes. They have sweepstakes all around the world. So if you're interested in that, they are a very friendly network. You might want to check them out. And this is basically how the campaign is created. It didn't even take that long. I think we spent about 10-15 minutes on this. And that's basically how we build these campaigns, step by step, how you can make money with push notifications on Zeropark. If you have any questions about this setup, feel free to ask it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.